Welcome to 218 Wingfoot. I'm really excited to present this house to you in Hideaway, Texas on 218 Wingfoot Drive. Hello, welcome. My name is Jason Healey. Welcome to 218 Wingfoot. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on this house and talk about some different elements and just kind of give you an in-home visit of this house. So the first few things on this house that's unique is we did the Frigidaire package. We've got natural gas, so we've got 4 gas troughs in this house. So we've got natural gas for the water heater, natural gas for the cooktop, natural gas for the HVAC, and natural gas for the fireplace. We did a Brazilian marble countertop in it. We did the Delta matte black finish on all the fixtures in the house. We did some really intricate hand-hewn beams up high. The ceilings are about 18 feet tall in this house. Put it on about an 8 and 12 pitch on the ceiling. We did a white pine beam that went across. We did a 5-ton, 3-zone AC system in the house, which makes it super energy efficient. We went with an Optima Energy Star package in the house. We went with an atrium window. It's matte black on the outside. It's white on the inside, so that way when you're working your paint colors, it can go both ways. Again, a fireplace is a non-minute insert, and then we did a shiplap with real pine, and then we used a router to make a different element show. Instead of doing a ceiling fixture in the living room, I wanted more of a chandelier feel. This house positions itself more to the golf course over here, and so it was really intricate. I don't know if you can see the golfers up there, but I wanted to do a big 9-foot tall door, big metal iron door here because you can really see the golf course here on Wingfoot. So the floor system here is an antimicrobial floor. We've also really taken the crown molding out of this house and really let the beams do more of the talking in the house. And paintwork and trim. So we've got about an 8-piece trim detail on each one of the windows and doors in the house. We went back in and kept things very modern and sleek with the just a very, very sleek glass back tile. Cabinets, 8-inch cabinets in Lindell did a fantastic job working with Jesse. And really kind of put it back in beams and really picking your eye back up to the focal features of this home. This area can be more of a Sunday brunch setting where you can set dishes and plates, but it also transitions to your dining. So if you're entertaining, you can put wine bottles in here, and you can kind of make this more of a bar, and that becomes a very transitional thing. The island's a 10-foot island. It's 4'6" wide. We did a stain grate on it. That's a beech wood cabinet. And then the mantle, we integrated that with the beams in the same stain color. We carried that stain through the living room and also the master bathroom. This is the master bedroom in here. Again, we really cut the crown out and we put more of our focus in on the beams with very sleek modern lines. We ran our floors horizontal. We kept the baseboards at about a 1x8. Kept the ceiling and the trims very, very just nice and neat. Not 3 stacked. This isn't a traditional home. Went for more of the modern feel and touch. Kept the windows very simple, 3050. Kept our fire code going, spaced out. Have our bed so it'll sit back on the wall so you can have your nightstand on each side, have your lamps. It flows right into the master bathroom. Some really nice deep closet space areas. So this is his closet, and then we actually have another closet here down the hall. We also have a bathroom area for a very, very private bathroom area. And then over here we have our master bath. So we've got our double. This is kind of the wow factor. This bathroom is a double vanity. Again, the beech wood stained Brazilian marble countertops. We went with the Delta flat black finishes. Did a custom made lighting that came out of Arizona. And then the floors all running linear, made the shower really big and nice and wide. So you've got about a 7x5 shower. You've got about a 5-foot tub over here. We went with a really pretty neat little chandelier over the tub that's got kind of that champagne and black feel to it. did frosted windows for privacy. So you have the privacy next door when you're in a master bath. Back into the shower, we did the matte black hardware everywhere. Full glass surround and a wing wall, so it really opens up between the shower and the master bathroom. We have a rain head that gives a little bit more of a modern feel and touch, as well as the on and off button for the water turn on and turn off. I integrated the shampoo dishes on this shower kind of on the back side so that it gets all of the mess kind of away and tucked back nice and neat, so that when you're on your daily usage, you can still see a pretty shower instead of all your little foam brushes and different things. Coming through here, there's a pocket door here, but we've made a big, large storage area. So this makes it really nice if somebody has a lot of clothes and needs a lot of storage. This house definitely gives it. So you've got a his and a hers closet. Underneath here, we're just trying to take every little inch of square footage in the house. And so it's just a little tiny room here, but somebody may want to put their little gun safe or a little small safe, or even have a little tornado area down here. We double studded that, put Advantech around the walls, so if there's ever a storm, that's a great place to go. This is the utility room, and it just kind of U-shapes around the configuration from the master all the way around the utility room. It's just a U-shaped style design. Matte black hardware, you're gonna have your washer and dryer, and then behind you, of course, your sink, your mud sink. Mud bench as you come in from the garage, right here. Here's a nice garage. It's 24 deep. It's about 27 foot wide, so it's ultra deep. So you can pull in a big GMC Suburban, open the back door, still get the top up, get your groceries out, and come straight back into the house. As you come in the house, there's a pantry on the other side, but there's also a little nook here. So the house square footage is 3927 total square footage under roof. It's 2963 heating and cooled. But this room right here really frees up one of the bedrooms, because here on this house, you've got 3 bedrooms down, but you also have an office. And a lot of times people take a bedroom and they use it for a craft room or a little exercise room, but this house offers you a space to kind of have your own office or an exercise or a getaway. And it's a small room. This room's only about 7 by 10 square feet. It's perfect for a desk and a printer, but it gives you that flexibility to not take up the bedroom. So walking in here, you've got your big tall 8-foot doors throughout the house, but this is your pantry detail. This is standard for what I do. This powder bath is a great room because it really integrates into the living room, kitchen. So when you're entertaining, we went with the Birch, a beechwood, stained grade cabinet, threw in the matte black, fills and touches, did a custom one-off fixture up top high. And I ran the mirror frame really high in this bathroom to really give this bathroom a little bit more depth and feel, so that when you walk in, there's more of a mirror feeling on the wall. A little bit on the HVAC system. Earlier we talked about it. You've got a 5.5 ton. You've got 3 zones on the house. It's a Nest thermostat. It's Wi-Fi capability. Work it off your phone or work it wherever you're at if you have internet connection to control the house. Back in here, this room is 33 feet wide. So 33 feet wide from that wall to this wall here. It's 25 feet wide here in the living room. And this is about 37 feet from this breakfast area all the way to this wall. And again, it's on an 8-12 pitch. And this room is a big time entertainment piece. This home here on the Fireplace, again, it's a shiplap. We also used a stained grade mantle on white pine, and then we did a louver stone, and then we have an integrated non-vented log set. It's very easy. You can always turn the pilot light on, fires the logs up, then that way you don't have to bring the logs in and out of the house. You know, this house is wired 2 different ways. Some people like the TV above the fireplace. I made it to where you can actually put the TV over here on this other side of the fireplace if you don't want that. So you have the option to either put some artwork up here or put your own TV here. As we come through, these are the 2 bedrooms and a big bath. As we come into bedroom number 2 here, we've got a big open large area. Looks out on the golf course out there. We did a bench seat, a little seat bench in front of the window, and it makes it really integrated into this room. Closet space over here, you've got a nice sized closet. It's all cut out. So in the hallway here, this is kind of the left-hand side of the house. You've got 2 bedrooms, you've got a big walk-in bathroom, you've You've got double vanities, you've got a tub shower, that way if you got kiddos, you can still do it. Went with the really modern touch light fixtures, went with the matte black hardware, Delta series matte black plumbing fixtures. And then as you walk back, make the turn, you can see the depth of this bathroom. So it makes a really nice full bathroom to really facilitate this side of the house. Also, you've got some extra linen storage right here. It makes it really nice and deep for all the towels. And so it's just, again, finding every little nook and cranny we can get for storage in the house. Over here, you've got a double closet door. This is bedroom number 3. You have 2 nice big storage areas. If you need extra closet, this room definitely has it. Very nice and neat, clean. So this stairway here, we did it out of oak treads. We actually did a white pine riser. We put the stairway on about a 7-inch rise with about 11.5-inch treads. So it makes it really nice and deep for you walking up and down the stairs. I wear 11.5 shoes, so kind of gives you an idea. It's nice and wide and big. As we come up the stairs, we're going to walk into bedroom number 4, and I'm going to show you the bathroom and what we did up here for a bonus. So this home here is all about entertainment. So up here you could make this a media room, you can make this another bedroom if you wanted to be an exercise room. It looks out over the top of the golf course. I'm not sure if you can see the green there. There's a golf course green up here, so it's a great viewing place if you just want to watch golf and relax. And over here, instead of simplifying the bathroom, we really tried to keep it just as the same fit and function as downstairs. We went with the nice matte black hardware. We went with a little custom made light fixture up there. We did a nice tile shower with the pebble floors, did the matte black Delta plumbing, and just kept it really nice, clean, simple. So this back porch is 217 square feet here. Did the matte black windows outside. Up here you've got 2 nice LED lights, and then you've got 2 side lights on the back of the house for letting your dog out in the evenings. We also added a nice integrated fire pit to where it just kind of brings this outdoor area to life. So again, on this door here, we've got a nice tall 9-foot door. It's 6 foot wide. I went with the pine ceiling. We also did a big 12x12 cedar beams on the front of the house. They're not a wrap beam, they're a real beam. Then you have the Luder stone, and then we've got the vertical hardy that goes all the way around the house. So on 218 Wingfoot, we're going to kind of start to the right-hand side of the house and talk about how we built this house and how we designed this house. So on the right-hand side of the house, I did a Luder stone gable, and then I put a little 4 and 12 pitch with a standing seam metal roof. I ran some vertical hardy trim around the sides. Nice and neat. We did a matte black window from Atrium Windows, and then up above that we've got a cedar louver, and then up above that we move on to the 4x6 cedar that's been cut in on the top ridge up there, and that's on a 10 and 12 pitch. And then as we move over to the left hand side, we've got 2 dormers, and those dormers are on a 4 and 12 pitch. We ran a galvanized standing seam metal roof on it, and then below we dropped the vertical hardy, put an atrium window back in it, and then on the roof side, on the architectural roof side, we put in a charcoal black roof. As you curve around to the garage, we've got the same thing going on in the middle of the house. We've got a 4 and 12 pitch dormer, but we have 2 2030 double mold windows that we integrated on the left hand side. We put this house on a 10 and 12 pitch on the left hand side and a 12 and 12. We also dropped it down from a vertical hardy down to a 4 and 12 standing metal seam roof with the vertical hardy, and then dropped it back down to a Luder stone. The landscaping on this house, we cut in our flower beds with the same house. We put agave plants and Spanish grass and yuccas. Really nice and neat. We even added a little palm tree up in the middle to give it a little bit more of a coastal, beachy, modern feel to this house.